Okay, so we have come to this open and close posting period, OB52. Now, after executing coming inside, click on new entries. Please write down, click on new entries.
Yeah.
Give our posting period, first posting period variant, which we have created for Indian and Singapore, company codes. Give LPV1, and you can see this is account assignment. What is this A? A is account assignment. You can click F4. So what I was explaining in my notes, if we want specific for asset, specific for customer vendor, we can select whatever, specific for GLs. But if we will select plus, it will be valid for all account types. So right now I'm going to select this one, but in real time we can select specific for GL, specific for vendor, like that. So I'm selecting here plus, and from these two, if we are suppose selecting this as, okay, GLs, then we need to give here range also. Like for our GL, what is the range? Income and expense. Income and expense, our range is 3 series is our income, correct? And 4 series is our expenses. Like that, we can make the range. And if we are giving plus, then we can keep this blank, because we are giving
Yeah.
valid for all, correct?
Yeah.
So give plus, valid for all, keep these as blank, and from period 1st to 2023 to period 12, I'm opening all periods.
If
2023
this is what from per one.
per one is normal periods, like normal period, like I have taken this from first normal period to 12 normal periods, 2023
Yeah.
fiscal year. And these from per period, this is for special period, like from
Okay.
13 2023 to 16 2023, correct?
Yeah.
So now you can see, now we have defined this for our LPV1 for Indian posting period. Now let's do it for US. Same plus, and same, these all things we can keep it same only. Please write down this, because you have to do it in the system. And 13 2023 16 2023. Okay.
Yeah.
But in real time only current period is opened, means if current period is April, May, June, July, August, September, if current period is 6, only 6th is opened in real time, in real projects. Okay.
Okay.
But it's for our practice, I am giving this complete 12 periods. Okay. Enter, and just simply save it. Simply save it. Okay. So now this topic is also posting period is also completed. Let's move to next topic, which is currency settings. Okay. So currency settings, if a company dealing or doing business operation internationally, then currency settings for exchange rate should be maintained. Internationally is if a company is dealing or doing business, means for buying something from vendor or selling to customers, internationally, if a vendor or customer is situated abroad in USA or UK, then exchange rate there will be there, right? Because they will pay in dollars. Suppose a customer is based in our Dilip's business customer, he is selling steel. Mumbai business is selling steel, and to a customer who is based in US, so they will pay in dollars, correct? And that
Yeah.
exchange it, so for that system, how we'll understand? In system, we need to maintain the relation between USD and INR and the exchange rates. Then only system can understand the details, and make the relation between US. So that exchange rate detail relation we need to maintain in the system. And same, I have given the example. For example, our Hyderabad cement company selling to a customer based in USA, then exchange rate setting is required to be maintained for between USA and INR. Okay. So now
Okay.
let's say, now I'm coming to a little bit technical. So now today's rate, suppose today's rate of dollar is 83. Okay. And now buying rate, actually there is a formula, selling plus buying divided by 2. and we had suppose we had purchased with 82, means suppose when we agreed, suppose with vendor we bought, that person is our vendor also and customer also. Let's say example, we are dealing, and a company is there, suppose, and that company is vendor also, customer also, it can be, right? So now when we were, when we bought him, that time the rate was 82, today is rate 83. हेलो,
Yes, yes.
क्लास में, सॉरी क्लास में गुड़ेवा जी बात
Ada
Apa lengkap?
mungkin.
so see, means when we had means when we bought from that when we bought from that vendor, that time rate was 82, and today is rate, suppose we bought on yesterday, we bought on 16th of September. Yesterday rate was, buying rate was 82, today rate is 83, and when we are selling to that customer, no, that customer, the organization is customer also vendors, when we are selling to him, then it is 84. So
Okay.
how to calculate this? Selling plus buying divided by 2 is to get the ratio. So 1:1, and this is called as bank average rate in SAP. Bank average rate formula is selling plus buying divided by 2. Okay, so it will come as 1:1. So just you can understand this. This is this M and P is exchange rate types. These all are exchange rate types. Exchange rate type M. M stands for bank average rate, okay, and P stands for cost planning, and bank average rate formula is buying plus selling divided by 2, which is 1:1, which is 1:1. No need to remember this, just try to understand this. This is exchange rate type, these two, and this formula for exchange rate type M is selling plus buying divided by 2, bank average rate. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I will do, let's move to the SAP system to have this currency, to have these exchange rate settings related to currency. So come back. So I will tell you the path. SPRO, SAP net, please write down next heading. This currency settings is the main heading, and give subheadings. Check exchange rate types.
Bro, SPRO?
No. First, please give main heading. Currency settings. Have you guys given the heading? Currency settings.
Yeah.
Okay, and now give subheadings. Step one, subheading. Check exchange rate types. Check exchange rate types. Step one, below, check exchange rate types. T code is OB07. OB07.
This
Okay.
path, SPRO?
SPRO, SAP Net Viewer. SPRO, SAP Net Viewer. SAP Net Viewer. After that, general settings. After that, general settings. After that, currencies. Next, exchange rate types. T code is OB07. T code is OB07. Okay.
Yeah.
Now execute. Please write down fast, please. So now after coming inside, click on position button. Give M. Click on position button, and give in exchange rate type. Give M and hit enter. In exchange rate type, give M. Hit enter. Now we are just checking. This is by default. This M and P will be there. We are just checking whether in system it is available or not. Okay. because suppose license is purchased, new license is purchased, something is missing, maybe it can be missed, right? So we are just
Okay.
checking whether M and P is available or not. If available, then here nothing to do with, we need not to do anything, just we are verifying whether these two are available or not. M is average rate, standard translation at average rate. We need to do the translation between USD. In our case, we need to do translation between USD and INR, because we are dealing with the customer and vendor based in US. Okay. Similarly, we can do if a customer is based in Russia, a customer is based in Sri Lanka, like that we need to understand the translation ratio, we need to make it in the system. Okay. So we are in this step, we are just understanding these two are available or not available. Then come back. Now please give next heading, define translation ratio. Please give next subheading, define translations ratios. Define translation ratios for currency translations. This one I'm telling. Define translation ratios for currency translations. Okay. T code is OBBS. T code is OBBS. Okay. Now execute. Click on execute. Okay. Now please see the screen. Do you want to continue? Please write down also in the notes. Do you want to continue? Click on yes. Click on yes when this pop-up will come. Do you want to continue? Click on yes.
Okay.
Click on yes. Then see, now we have come. Now here we need to click on new entries. See, now the dates which we are dealing, which we are doing transactions with our vendor and customer situated in US, situated abroad. So with that dates, we need to maintain the exchange rates. We need to, we are maintaining not exchange rates, here we are maintaining the ratio. Which ratio I explained. To get this ratio, this is the formula. Selling plus buying divided by 2, 1:1 we are going to maintaining between USD and INR. Okay. Ratio we are going to maintain in this step. Okay. M USD to INR. Suppose valid, let me give today's date. Ratio from 1, ratio to 1. Okay. Again, I'm giving M SGD to INR. Ratio same 1:1. M Euro to INR. One. Great Britain pound, GBP. Please write down all these. INR, and then Canadian dollar, CAD, M, CAD, INR. Okay. After giving this translation ratio, hit enter. After giving this all translation ratio, hit enter and save it. Okay. Save it in our TR. And same way we need to do it for M. So for M, what I will do? See, in SAP, you guys would be knowing maybe. Control Y we will do. It will not allow to copy like this simply in Excel, like we drag it and so Control Y we will press now. Then it will allow us to drag with the help of mouse. Control A. Then we can drag Control C and here Control V. And here we now I explained two exchange rate, right? M is for bank rate and P for cost planning. We need to do same. We can copy from M to P. Control Y you can do and copy the M and just change the P. In place of M, make it P. Below. After pasting, I'm telling you. Hit enter and save it. Done. Okay. Save it. Done. Can I come back?
Yeah.
Okay. Now back. Now please give next subheading. Enter exchange rates. Enter exchange rates. T code is OB08. Enter exchange rates. T code is OB08. Here we will understand like what is the exchange rate, the rates we are going to put here. Okay. So now before you guys before you need to understand one thing. Direct quotation concept is there and indirect quotation, and this sometimes they ask in the interview also. Quotations and in direct, what is the meaning of direct quotation? Okay, if you want to maintain direct quotation, so our company is based in India, and company is dealing with the direct quotation means you can understand INR divided by USD. This is this is the direct quotation. Indirect quotation will be vice versa. Indirect quotation is vice versa. USD will be will remain at top, and INR it will be divided by INR. Means a company is based in India and dealing with with the doing business transactions with the vendors or customer based in USA. So if you want to make the direct quotation, then INR we need to keep INR, we need to divide INR with USD. Okay, and in at the time of indirect, it is vice versa. Okay, so this is what we are going to define in the system. Here is indirect option and direct option. Means you are maybe you guys are confused. Let me elaborate this. Means today currency rate is 83 and divided by $1. $1 is equal to 83 INR, correct? And it is for direct quotation. And when I am coming to indirect quotation, it is opposite, right? 1 divided by 83. This is the relation we are going to do in the business. Oh, what is this? 1 divided by 83. Correct? See.
Yeah.
So we are going to define we are going to use this direct quotation. We can use indirect also, but we are going to define direct quotation in the system now. Okay. Direct quotation means INR by USD, because a company based in a company code which is based in India dealing with doing his business operation with vendor or customer based in abroad, and like that we are maintaining the currencies relation. INR is divided by USD. Okay, so same I'm going to do in the system. So after coming here, press hit new entry. Okay, now M valid from, let's say, today's date I'm giving. Valid date, give today's date, 17th of September. Indirect quotation we will not select. We need to select direct quotation, right? 1 USD. Today rate is, let's say I'm giving this 64.88 to INR and then let me copy this one, control Y. Let me copy this one, control V. Control V, Control V. I will change it. I will change the currency 1 SGD, 1 SGD. 1 SGD is 49.32, 49.32, 1 INR. Then 1 euro, 1 euro is equal to 80.61, let's say, example, 80.61, 1 INR. Great Britain GBP, GBP is how much? 90.19, 90.19. And then let's say CAD, Canadian dollar, CAD, I am giving 50.24, 50.24 and hit enter. Now you see, if here we are maintaining direct quotation, that's why we have given the exchange rate values. Exchange rate between USD and INR values we have given where below in the direct quotation field. If we want to maintain the indirect quotation, we need to skip this direct quotation fields. We need to keep it blank and we need to fill the details here. Correct? And
Yes.
rest things will be same. So direct quotation we are following, and direct quotation I told, like I have explained. So now after giving this, now we need to maintain same for the P also. P means cost planning. This is the bank average that we have done. So let me copy this, Control Y and drag with the mouse, Control C, Control V. Just change the exchange rate type from P, like make it P. P, P, P. Hit enter and now save it. Okay, see ratio has also come 1 USD 1 INR. Okay, like that. 1 USD is equal to 64.88 INR. Okay, and if division wise, if I will explain, 64.88 divided by 1, like that. Okay, now it is this topic is also completed. Now let's move to very important topic. This is now fourth. Please, this one is very important. In interview, it is asked frequently. Generally they ask this question: What do you mean by field status variant? What is the meaning of field status variant? Okay. So if you can see my screen, this is the GL document posting screen. Okay, means general entry posting. GL document general entry posting screen in SAP. Okay, means one like salary is being paid. Suppose salary is being paid with the cash. Salary account will be debiting to cash account will be crediting. Correct. So now you can see in this screen, this GL document screen in SAP. You see there are various fields: document date field, posting date field, reference field, document header text field. Okay, and this is header details. The top, you can see these are the header details which are graded above, and below ones are the items details. Zero items. See, GL account, DC, debit credit amount in document currency, DOC currency. These all are the line item details. So in SAP, in one document, whether it is any document, GL document posting, or whether it is vendor invoice posting, it has it has two details: header details and line item details. Header details are up to this one: document date, reference, this one. These all are the header details of the document, and line item details are GL account, debit credit amount. These all are the line item details. Okay, so now getting my point now. I'm not okay now. Okay, see, so now these all are the fields. You can see document date field, posting date field, reference field, document header field. In the header level, in the line item level, which are the fields? Please tell Sudhir. In the line item level, tell me the field, please.
GL code.
GL code, yes. Amount, tax code, tax
tax code,
jurisdiction, correct. Assignment. These all are the
assignment.
fields. These all are the fields in the line item level. Okay. Now
Yeah.
these fields, how these fields will be controlled in SAP, how these fields will be controlled. So these fields, whether it is at the header level or it is at the line item level, it is controlled with the help of field status variant. Simply in interview, if they will ask, simply we can say field status variant helps to control the field at the time of document posting, whether it is GL document, AP document, AR document, or asset document. It is with the help of, in its name, it is written the answer. Field status variant helps to control the field at the time of document posting. Simply, this is the answer we need to give at the time of interview. That's it. And I have explained you in the system also how it will be. Now, first you guys understand the the logic. Then I will explain in the system. Okay, you understood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see, there are three kinds of fields. Means we can make make a field. We can treat a field. Means three kinds of field. Please understand. So what are those? First one is optional field. Second one is required field. Third one is suppressed field. Optional field means may enter or may not enter. Suppose if we are making this tax jurisdiction code or assignment field code is as a optional, means we can keep it, we can enter it or we cannot enter it. System will not restrict, system will not do any means system will allow us to post the document. Okay, means it is optional. Required means if suppose if we are making this assignment field mandatory required field, then it is mandatorily we need to fill, otherwise system will not allow to post this GL document or AP document, AR document, invoice document, whatever. Okay. And if third one is suppressed, if we don't want, suppose business is telling we don't want this tax jurisdiction field or assignment field here, so we will make it suppress, means it will not appear here in the GL document. So three kinds we can make a field. We can give command to a field in three ways. We can make it optional, we can make it required, we can make it suppressed, depending upon the business requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
So now see, now come to technical side. SAP has, we need to define the field status variant. SAP has given various field status variant, so we are going to copy from those only. SAP is by standard, SAP default they have given. So now below field status variant there will be 41 field status group are given by SAP. Please try to understand, don't write, it is already there in my notes. I will share with you guys. Please try to understand the concept. See, field status variant is given by SAP standard. Below field status variant, there will be 41 field status group, which is given by SAP. Okay. And now, now you guys will ask, okay, what are these field status group? Okay, let me show you in system /n. And suppose if I want to open a new session without closing this session, without closing this window, /n will close this window, right? But we don't want to close this window. Then what is how we can open? We know the T code. How we can go? Can you please tell?
Next screen, Control N.
No. See, Control N, if I will do now, what I'm telling, Control I will do, then this screen will be closed. But I want to keep this screen open and I want to open a new screen. Then / will be there. What? 70? What? Double?
Double slash.
No. /o.
Okay.
Single O. See, in place of /n we will close this window. But we want to keep this window open. We want to open a new window, keeping this window open only. Then /o OBC4. Then this window will remain open. I'm going to fill
for new screen for Control N also it will work, no?
Control N work, but you know what I'm telling, that is correct. But this screen will be closed, right? This I'm telling. If Control N I will give now, this correct. I'm telling this screen should not be closed. Control N I will give, this screen will be closed and new screen will be open, right? No? See. Let me show you, no problem. See, Control N I'm giving, what I'm telling, I want this currency exchange rate window remain open. Okay. /n OBC4. But when I'm giving /n, this current exchange rate window will be closed. But I want this to remain open. This I'm telling. So I'm giving this /n. Let's see. This is closed. Now that window is closed.
Yeah.
But what I was telling, if I want this window to remain, suppose I want to open this company code T code, I know /o I will give, and I want to keep this open also. So OX02 is the T code. So field list, this window will not be closed. OX02. Now see, now company code is open. Now that window is also open. See.
Okay.
Means in place of /n, you guys need to use /o if you want to keep the current window open, and new window will be opened separately.
Okay.
See, this much I am explaining.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. So now, let's come to this, and now let's say I'm taking anyone. Suppose Sipla on this.
Configuration.
Yeah, this is configuration. No, but I'm trying to first show you the groups. 41 subgroups are there under one, this field. Suppose this is a standard SAP has given 0001. SAP has given this as per the standard. So I will select this 0001. I will click on the subgroups. So see, there are, you can see entry 1 of 41. There are 41 subgroups SAP has given. And what are the use of this? SAP has given subgroups for general. General means general GL account related. Material related. Cost means P&L account related. This one is bank account related. 6 is for material account. 7 is for asset account related. Okay, so like that, SAP has given these subgroups categorized for the field status. SAP has categorized for revenue, income related, revenue related G029. You will come. So there are how many? 41. Okay, SAP has given a standard.
Yeah.
Okay, and SAP has categorized balance sheet wise, bank account wise, income wise, expenses. For expenses it is G045. No, not G0. G045 is for goods invoice receipt, GR. So for expense related cost account, G004. Okay, so like that, SAP has given these subgroups. So this is what I was explaining. So you guys should not feel like I'm explaining anything out of the box. So see, field status variant, SAP has given. In the field status variant, inside the field status variant, there will be 41 groups. SAP has by standard given, by default given. And under that field status, under each field status group, there are 75. Okay, there are 10 subgroups. Means each field status group will have 10 subgroups, and each subgroups will have 75 fields. Okay, so now suppose let's say this one is the subgroup. Okay, now I will go to this, inside this. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are the 10 groups inside it. Inside subgroups, these are the 10 groups, right? 10 subgroups, correct?
Yeah.
41 groups having 10 subgroups. And I will come under the subgroups, there will be 75 fields. If I will count, there will be 75 fields will be there. Okay, so like that, means here it is this much. If I will count all, so there will be 75 fields, like that. Okay. So now let's come to this. So in our case, what we will do, see, I have here copied. So what I will do, I will create this LFSV, Dilip field status variant, and we can assign one field status variant to multiple company codes. There is no specific kind of, like, we can create a specific also, but if our requirement getting fulfilled, then we can assign a single field status variant to multiple company code. Okay, 1:2 and methodology. And 1:1 is not preferred. Okay, so we are going generally, we are going to generally make 4 fields optional: business area, profit center, segment, and functional area. Actually, these fields will come in the line item level. Like, we want to keep profit center optional or not, we want to keep profit business area, segment. So these details will come in the line item level. So we are going to make these 4 optional. Okay, so let's move to SAP. And now, understood? You guys understanding?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please give heading. Please give heading define field status variant. Define field status variant. T code is OBC4. T code is OBC4.
This is path same.
No, not same. Path I'm telling. SPRO, financial accounting new. Write down the path. SPRO, financial accounting new. After that, financial accounting global settings. Financial accounting global settings. After that, ledgers. Ledgers. After that, fields. After that, define field status variant. Define field status variant. Execute it. Come inside. Select 0001. Okay. See, here we can create also. Create option is also the new entry. But SAP has given a standard, then no need to create. We can copy from the standard one. Select 0001.
What that 0001?
Yes, select 0001 field status variant. Click on copy as button. Okay. Select that and click on here. You can see click option. Click on copy as button. And here we need to change the naming convention. Please change the name of field status variant with ours is LFSV. This is Dilip field status variant. Field status variant. Okay. Now enter. After giving the naming convention and description, please hit enter. Please hit enter. After that, click on copy all. You can see the screen. Click on copy all. Click on copy all button. Then again enter. The, one message has come. Number of dependent entries. Click on enter again.
Yeah.
Now save it first. Save it first. Save in our TR. Okay, now our TR, our field status is created. Now select our field status variant LFSB. Select our field status variant LFSB and double click on field status group. Double click on field status. After selecting, double click on field status group. Okay. Okay. Now double click on this G001 under the field status group. Double click on G001. Double click on G001. Okay. And now double click on additional account assignments. Double click on additional account assignment. See additional account assignment. Okay. And now here make it optional 4 things: business area, profit center, segment, and functional area. So we need to search. See, profit center is suppress. We need to make it optional. Business area is already optional. Segment and functional area also we need to do. See here page down. We need to do page down. Huh? From above, do the page down. And segment make it optional.